When palm rolling, I like the shape of the lock to be like a cylinder shape, like you roll it down from the root all the way down. That's the kind of look that I like a cylinder shape. And then you twist all the way down, and I'm taking my rubber band. If you have a little, sometimes you know the locks are uneven at the tips. Our dreadlocks are not. Exactly what I'm talking about, the cylinder look. You rolling it all the way down, you're rolling it from the root. It must have like a elongated kind of look. So that's how I love seeing locks. You just roll it like that, and then you tuck away the flyaways and what's not. And his lock is quite strong. They're strong and they're healthy. They are thick all the way from the root to the tips, and that's healthy. He's been coming to me for over 2 years, and over the past 2 years, long hair, long natural hair, and they said, oh, I use this and it grew my hair. No, don't fall for it. They have nice texture hair. Their foreparents have long hair, so they born with that good long hair gene. So their hair was always long, and there aren't any products out there that will grow your hair in record time. It may help to grow your hair, but honey, it's not, you're not gonna see any dramatic change in length. Okay, so that's what I do. I do my research on products, oils, and yeah, I try to use light oils. I don't use castor oil at all, not at all. I don't use castor oil. If ever you want to use castor oil in the hair and you think it will thicken your hair, finish. I use my VIGOROL hair mousse, and I love to drench your hair. Please don't tell me I'm using too much mousse. Please, if you see me on YouTube, not tell me I'm using too much mousse, or please don't tell me I'm using too much mousse in anyone's hair. Catch you in my